Hey there, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my channel where I explore the wonders of human mind, breath, and workplace mental health. Following my last video on the ISO 45003, in this video, I'm going to dive into a pressing issue faced across many companies in UK, employee attrition. How does it truly impact and what does the statistics reveal? Stick around until the end of the video as I'm going to share some compelling evidence from the UK. Let's begin with some hard-hitting numbers. According to the report by Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, CIPD, replacing an employee stands at a cost of £11,000, and that's not a small amount. In addition to the expenses occurred through the recruitment and training of a new replacement. But why we are witnessing such an upward trajectory in turnover rates? The answer lies in employees' job dissatisfaction. A study by Investors in People found that 47% of the employees are considering to quit the job due to the dissatisfaction with their current roles. Additionally, workplace culture plays a pivotal role in the employee attrition rate. According to a LinkedIn survey, 71% of the employees are considering to quit the job and willing to take a pay cut as a replacement for a better work culture where it supports their mental health and the growth in the career prospects. Moreover, the cost of lost productivity cannot be overlooked. According to a study by Oxford Economics, found that replacing an employee would cost up to 150% of the annual salary for the time invested and recruitment and training a new replacement. So, what can UK organization can do to mitigate the rates of employee attrition? It's very simple. By investing in a positive work culture, promoting growth opportunities, and open communication, would support employee engagement and retention. In summary, evidence from UK paints a picture that employee attrition comes with a cost to businesses around, whether it's small or big. By understanding the underlying causes and investing in cultivating a positive work culture, businesses can safeguard valuable talents and higher productivity and employee retention for long-term success. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. If you found this video insightful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. Do share with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I love to read your comments, and any insightful thoughts or ongoing discussions is more welcomed. How does employee turnover impacted your organization in UK? Respond to this question in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy. Signing off, Devi Sundar.